This is a quick video just to show how to do rolling sets in Revit on pipe systems while staying in a plan view. So normally you would have to cut a section, you would be drawing a T if I wanted to branch that bit of pipe into this main, and then you have to come here, go to the section, go to the angle and then trim it. But there is another way of doing this. If we try to change the fall of this in the elevation, it would break this pipe. But the way that you can trick it is to draw it as a bend. Let's just say we align that, and then as a bend you can rotate it. So we say do that, and then we force it to be 45, and then you can just trim and then change that bend back into a T fairly easily, and bingo bango.